What's up guys, my name's Eva and today I'm going to talk about a thing which was called the integer limits. The integer limits for heights, even days. Now the first integer limit we're going to look at is 1,048,576. As you guys saw, this number is pretty small. But if we divide this by 32, we'll get around 32,768 of the integer limit. Now, 2,147,483,647 is the total limit for the integer of 32. If we divide this by this number, which is by 32 or 32, we'll get 671 million. But let me talk about the e's first. What are the e's? To get this simplified, actually, we need to learn about how e's exist. E's are the temporary numbers for templates. Take, for example, 1.376 quintillion 777 quadrillion 234 trillion 707 billion 665 million 737,098 E plus 98 E plus 32 E plus 16. So this is a quadrillion number. 793. This is the total number of infinity. Now this number is almost close to as infinity, which is approximately equal to, infinity. If you do enter this number, you'll see the height limit almost getting infinity. So we'll talk about the smaller ones. Let's start with the 34-bit integer limit. Why? The 34-bit integer limit is always equal to 2,400,765,096,506 of the bits total in Minecraft. If we convert the C, and then we get 2.43146509756A in terms. Now it will get converted to 2.431,790,675,455 E to the power of A, or E plus A, E plus 9. Now this is how many you will get into Minecraft. As you can see, this is a non-existable theory, so this is a warning. And now I'm trying to get the part 1 done. So now to pass in this limit, we need to talk about furthers, like 2.750 E9 is equal to be converted as 2,750,965,096 blocks into total of generation. Now this stops the terrain from generating. But now if you set it to 0, this limit won't crash the game because it's an infinitely generated one. The engine also thinks that these number 0 is actually a negative version of the infinity, which is very close. As I mentioned earlier, this is 16.777777 as if there. So if you do this, 16,777,777,216 blocks. But if it's but it's revamped as for the similar number. This number could be bigger. When big and small numbers meet each other, their meetings will be at the less than 5. This is over then. This is over 16,777,216 blocks. This is roughly very, very low compared. But however, this is an even bigger one. 16,777,777,216, which is very big, concluded. And now let's get into the ease. Now, for example, 17.505777. This is 17 billion, my trillion, by 505,777,234 here. This is 5 billion, by the way. If you enter this number on E38, you get a total of 13. E13, or considered to the power of 13. 13 digits so far. And now let's get to the bigger part as of their final part. 25.544,324,765,408. This number is at E13, and when it's converted, it's 25,344,765,405 in total. That's very big. Now let's move on to this. 127,976,543,234,700 at E14. At E14. This is converted to 127,960,543,234,700 blocks. God, that is even bigger than 25,544,324,324,765,405 in total. We're getting closer into this. This final one is now 9 quintillion, as you can see here. This final one is the most of all, the 32-bit integer limit. the 64-bit integer limit of EAT. This is the biggest of all. But however, this one does not end. Part 2 coming soon. Goodbye.